Hi, my name's Steven Sierks, and we're here today at the world-famous Abbey Road Studios, working with the London Symphony Orchestra, recording the music for the brand new show centered around the dark arts in the wizarding world of Harry Potter.
All right, here we go. Once more.
Okay, here it comes.
Very nice, folks. That is terrific. That had a raw energy, which I love.
The Dark Arts explores the darker undertones of the Harry Potter world, featuring characters such as Aragog, the Dementors, Death Eaters, and even Voldemort himself.
Just so you know, this is the darkest thing that... Oh, seriously. When I started on the project, I was happy. And they said, no, you don't understand, we want this dark.
This is the biggest part, so hopefully we can do this in only like 2 takes.
Yeah, exactly.
Especially the trumpet, much as he can give us gnarly, nasty, big Voldemort 3-note.